All right, this is going to be a soft door review for a Canam Defender. Here we got a set of soft doors that I installed. They were pretty easy to install and straightforward. A couple of brackets to mount on the cage, and then the hardest part was adjusting the door so that it fit in the opening. You do have a bracket and a door lock here, and then the door lock there that you can actually adjust and move on the frame so that the door closes easier and fits into the gap that's on the Canam Defender. So it is a little bit of a pain in the butt to close. You got to jam it pretty hard for it to latch. One thing that I do like is it has a lockable door. So you stick the key in, turn it, and now it's locked, and now your cab's locked up. And then you unlock it. The windows do unzip and roll down. I have the doors on because I have a dog that rides with me in the cab, and it keeps the dog inside, and we can have the windows down so that he's got his head out the window, and you get some airflow through the cab. They zip up really nice. The zippers are nice. Used it in the winter time doing some plowing, and I really like how it keeps you out of the elements for plowing. The window does roll up and then has a little attachment to snap on so that you can keep the window rolled up when not in use. Here we have the window zipped up, and it has two zippers, one on each side. What I do like in the winter time for driving is, in order to keep the windshield from fogging up, because I just have a hard coated windshield with no cab heater, is that I like to keep the zipper here at the top and then the zipper down here at the bottom, and leave this open right here, and wind will come in and keep the cab a little breezy, and keep the windshield from fogging up while you're inside riding around in the winter. Overall, I really like the doors. I think they're a good fit and finish. Like I said, they can be a pain in the butt to adjust here, you know, with the adjustment points, but mounting it's not too hard. It's just a matter of getting the hinge and the door handle mounted up and latched on. But overall, I really like them.